If you are looking for a way to teleport in Genshin Impact, then you are in the right place. First of all, launch open the Genshin Impact game on your device and make sure you are inside the game. If you want to move quickly around the map using teleporting, then here's how you do it. First of all, go ahead and tap on the map icon at the top left corner. Once you're inside the map, go ahead and select where you want to teleport. And if you see this teleport option here, simply tap on the teleport button. Just make sure that you are looking for this blue diamond icon. It is teleport waypoint. Now click the teleport option, and after waiting for a couple of seconds, you'll be able to teleport to your selected location. So that's how easy it is. Teleporting does not require any cost. If you see that the waypoint is locked, then you'll need to walk up to it in the open world. So there you have successfully teleported in Genshin Impact. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.